There are people who are helping ICON pioneer this. We've built with our own machines for going on 8 years, but it's a big opportunity for others to be the first to take our technology and take it out into the world and build on the things that they want. We have a lot of great partners that are lining up incredible projects to help their local communities.
We're building a neighborhood of new homes in East Austin. I don't really consider 3D printing to be new anymore. There's 100 homes out there, people are living in them and they're happy. What we get to do with the Titan printer is sort of the next evolution of 3D printing. It unlocks design flexibility in a way that we've not seen before. And I think that's going to be an opportunity for us to create distinction.
We're a Houston-based construction company, and we focus on attainable housing here in the city of Houston. Working in the city of Houston, first and foremost, we're the 4th largest city in the nation. So with ICON's robot, the Titan, with the efficiencies on the tech side, we think there's a lot of opportunity to be able to scale.
When we started here in 1959, a lot of the church was originally built by the men of the church on the weekends. We have a wonderful old church that is constantly breaking down, constantly in need of work. And so it's been a long time challenge at St. Mark's to figure out what we're going to do with the future of the facilities. And so we're looking at a pretty radically ambitious plan for the future of the campus.
Ghost Factory is a mobile, rapidly deployable manufacturing facility that manufactures cold-formed steel components and associated technologies for the building industry.
When I think as a builder of the best materials that I could use to create armor around a built environment, I think of concrete and steel. And the reason why I'm excited to bring Titan to this market and Titan in general into the Ghost Factory envelope is when you combine those two materials, you open up the design aperture of anything that an architect can think of. We can build it.
This is a game changer for what we can do with architecture. We can make kinds of shapes with this kind of technology that the world hasn't seen before. And to think about doing that in a church project is really, really exciting.
One thing that we're seeing is high cost in insurance, the homeowner's insurance and flood insurance. And we're hoping that with this technology, we'll be able to get some of those prices down.
Housing prices, 400, 500, 600,000 is just not attainable for 50% of the population of the country.
That set us on a mission to find other alternatives, and we came across robotic construction. We saw what ICON was doing, and we were like, we have to be a part of that.
I don't think we could have considered working with ICON with just the gantry system. And predominantly it's about the height. You know, Titan can get a lot higher, and a church needs to be tall. A church needs to have some verticality to it. A church needs to be something that lifts up your soul and makes your eyes look up to heaven.
We got the opportunity to get a first look at the Titan robot with the ICON team, and we were blown away. We're excited, and we're looking forward to working together with ICON in the future.
I bought the first Titan because I exist in a world where we need flexibility in the products that we bring to market. In the Palisades and many of the other markets that we operate in, you can't find a solution that's as good as what Titan will be for us.